What if I told you that that bottle of olive oil sitting in your kitchen right now might not be what you think it is? You bought it because everyone says olive oil is one of the healthiest fats on earth. You switched from vegetable oil. You drizzle it on salads, cook your meals with it, and trust that you're doing something good for your heart, your brain, and your joints. But here's the uncomfortable question. Why do some olive oils taste harsh, burn your throat, and feel almost unpleasant, while others taste soft, smooth, and easy to swallow? Has this ever happened to you? You open a new bottle, take a small taste, and think, this is disgusting. How do people enjoy this? So you go back to the smoother one, the gentler one, the one that doesn't burn your throat, and you assume this one must be better. But what if that softer taste is exactly where the problem starts? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why that throat-burning olive oil might actually be the one protecting your health, and how to tell what you're really buying without becoming a food expert. Before we go further, like this video and subscribe to Green Health, where we break down confusing food topics into clear, honest, senior-friendly guidance. And tell me in the comments, do you prefer strong olive oil or mild olive oil? The big confusion about olive oil most people don't realize. Here's the truth most people are never told. The problem with strict, fresh, unblended extra virgin olive oil is that it's intense. It has a strong flavor, a bitter or peppery taste, a noticeable sensation in the mouth and throat. And for many people, especially those new to it, it can feel unpleasant or even disgusting at first. So what happens? Many consumers naturally prefer softer tasting oils, milder mouthfeel, no throat burn. And food producers know this, so instead of selling only strict, unblended extra virgin olive oil, many oils on the market are blended, meaning mostly olive oil, with a small percentage of softer vegetable oils or refined olive oils. This creates a smoother taste, less bitterness, no coughing sensation. And here's the key point. There is nothing inherently evil about blended olive oil. In fact, many people would prefer it because it's easier to consume daily, it still provides some olive oil benefits, it tastes better to most palates. The real problem is transparency. The issue isn't blending. The big problem is that there is often no clear rule requiring companies to disclose whether an olive oil is blended, what it's blended with, or the percentage of that blend. There should be a clear labeling system, but in many regions there isn't, so consumers are left guessing. What real high-quality extra virgin olive oil is actually like. Let's clear up one thing once and for all. Fresh, unrefined extra virgin olive oil is not meant to taste bland. A truly high-quality EVOO will usually be fresh and unrefined, stored in a dark glass bottle or tin can, labeled with a recent harvest date, not just an expiration date, smell grassy, green, or fruity, taste peppery or bitter, create a slight burning or coughing sensation in the throat. That throat burn? That's not a flaw. That sensation comes from polyphenols, natural compounds that are associated with olive oil's protective properties. In fact, a good extra virgin olive oil will almost make you cough as it goes down your throat. That's why many olive oil experts actually expect that reaction. Why this confuses so many people? Here's where people get misled. We're taught that smooth equals good, harsh equals bad, but with olive oil, it's often the opposite. A bland, soft oil may simply be refined, old, blended, or lacking protective compounds. Meanwhile, a vibrant, complex oil tastes bold, smells alive, feels strong in the throat, and that strength often signals freshness and quality, not danger. How to test your olive oil at home. Test number 1, the smell test. Open the bottle and smell it. High-quality olive oil often smells grassy, fruity, green, or fresh. If it smells flat, greasy or like nothing at all, it may be refined or old. Test number 2, the taste and throat test. Take a small sip. Ask yourself, is there bitterness? Is there a peppery bite? Do I feel a slight throat burn or urge to cough? That reaction is often linked to polyphenols. No reaction at all doesn't automatically mean bad, but it usually means less potent. Test number 3, the label check. Look for dark bottle or tin, harvest date, extra virgin plus origin details, cold pressed or mechanically extracted. Be cautious of clear plastic bottles, no harvest date, extremely cheap prices. The big takeaway, this is important. Here's the balanced truth most videos won't tell you. Some people genuinely prefer blended olive oils. That's okay. They can still offer health value. The real issue is not knowing what you're buying. If an oil is blended, it should say so. If it's pure, it should be fresh and honest. Because when you understand olive oil, you stop fearing the throat burn. You stop assuming smooth means better. And you start choosing based on clarity, not confusion. Why this matters for seniors? As we age, oxidation matters more, inflammation matters more, food quality matters more. Olive oil can be a powerful daily food only if you know what you're using. Stick around because in the next video, I'll explain how to choose the right olive oil for your taste and health goals without wasting money or forcing yourself to drink something you hate. If this helped you understand olive oil in a new way, give this video a like. Subscribe to Green Health for simple, honest food education made for real life. And comment below, do you prefer strong olive oil or mild olive oil, and why? Small choices, clear knowledge, better health. Thanks for watching till the end, and I hope to see you in the next one, God's willing. Remember, Green Health cares.